everyone. I hope you all are having a good time. And today I'm going to tell you about how to cope up with change confidently. We know that change is inevitable, but most of us, fear change. We think that with change there will be a lot of complexities. We are not able to cope up with the change, but we need to realize that change is inevitable, and it is better if we embrace change positively because change teaches us a lot of things and challenges will give us new opportunities. So how do we perceive the change? It is upon us. How do we perceive things? It wholly depends on us. So don't be afraid of seeing the change, and don't compare yourself with anyone, but be brave and confident enough to become yourself, because you know you are unique in your own way, and you don't need the support of anyone to become whatever you want to achieve in your life. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve just by becoming yourself. So I'm going to tell you about my personal experience. I believe that what my teachers, my school and my college and nothing has taught me, but my own personal experiences have taught me to grow, and have seen that if I try to motivate and other people, then only I grow. People think that if we try to put other people down, then only they will climb the stairs, and then they will only achieve success and happiness. But this is a kind of frustration that a person has. But if you want to achieve a wholesome success and happiness, you have to see others happy also. You have to be spread happiness and joy in other people's life. So in your professional life, you will face a lot of difficulties. You will face different people having different opinion about you, having different kind of attitude. So it is up to us how to deal with those people, how to deal with different kinds of people, so that we are able to analyze whatever the weaknesses we have in ourselves and whatever the strengths we have in ourselves. So don't be scared of making a mistakes, because mistakes teaches a lot of new things. By making mistake, you are not doing anything wrong, but if you don't do anything, that is a greater mistake. So mistakes are certain things that we all do, and no one is flawless in this world. So don't be afraid of committing yourself to anyone. So be brave and be strong in that way. So in our professional life, you will be able to we get scared when you are faced with challenges, or when we are faced with opportunities, but you should think that challenges are interesting. Challenges gives us hope and gives us a new direction, a new path and a new light where we can shine. One who shines from inside only can shine from outside. So our inner strength is upon us. How we live our life, how we the kind of lifestyle that we live, all these things make our life more better. So the kind of lifestyle we have always thought of adopting is something has a positive impact on us and on our society. So you should always embrace the positivity and surround yourself with all those people who only help you to motivate. Don't surround yourself with negative people. Surround yourself with people who try to lift you up. And in your personal life also, you will see that there are a lot of conflicts between you and your partner. I think communication is very important in that way. Communication, free, frank, real communication will make your relationship stronger. So whenever you feel there's kind of misunderstanding, you must communicate with your partner. You must listen to your partner. Listening is very important, because when you listen to the other person, you give them the respect that that person matters to you. So listen to that other person, and also keep your own thoughts with that person, so that you can establish a kind of rapport with that person. So, and create a bond that will be forever. So do all those things. Try to analyze your introspect, and try to analyze your own weaknesses and your own shortcomings, so that you are able to analyze and judge what is best for you. So these kind of relationships are based upon trust, and love, and both are very important. We know that both are very important for the relationship to last longer. And I know you must have also faced that. But how often we, if we stop overreacting, and if we stop if we practice mindfulness, and if we have more patience, we will be able to sort out certain things, and we will be able to live our life more happily and more peacefully. So these things come with time, with patience, and with understanding, and giving each other the amount of space that we always crave for, and giving each other the mutual respect and simple and harmony together. So these two things that are very important for a better life to live in. And this will make this is only going to ameliorate our life if we give 100% to it. So always find strength in yourself, strength in solitude. Those who are alone are not weak, but they are more stronger. So sometimes you need to give time to yourself, analyze your own ambitions, your own skills. As an individual, we should be ambitious enough to understand what is best for us, what we can how we can grow ourselves for ourselves. Whatever profession we are live for that profession, and that is our that is our religion, that is our own religion, so respect that. And I hope you all will have a successful professional and a personal life ahead. I wish you all the best. Thank you, and have a nice day.